Hi guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'll show you how to make ginger kashaya or adrak ka gada if you want to know it in Hindi. This can be a great remedy for cold and cough in kids and adults. I would say avoid it for a baby till an year because we should not be giving it any other remedies until it is suggested by a doctor. So let's see the benefits of using ginger.
Ginger warms the lungs and thins the mucus. It treats all symptoms associated with cold like sore throat or coughing, fever, etc. It relieves pain and has calming effect. It cleanses the system and brings the temperature down. And lemon builds resistance to cold and flu and it speeds up the heating process. Honey helps loosen congestion and prevents dehydration.
So now let's go ahead and see the methods of making ginger kashaya or ginger tea or adrak ka gada.
Have a look at the ingredients used. Let's move on and take a pan and add about a cup of water. We'll add some grated ginger. Let's mix it and boil the mixture until the water changes its color, and this can be between 5 to 10 minutes. And now allow it to boil. You can see the water is changing its color. And put it aside so that it cools down. It should be warm when you serve, so don't cool it completely. And let's strain the mixture. This kashaya can be given twice a day to your kid, and after food is better and before sleeping. We are adding lemon here. As I earlier said, this shouldn't be given to babies, a big no to infants, and only after a year this remedy can be tried. So mix it well completely and your ginger kashaya is ready to be served. Even adults can take this.
So this was one simple recipe and a remedy which can be tried at home. So it's always easy to go to doctor, but good to try home remedies because the more your kids are prone to medicines, the more sick they become because their immunity will really become low. If you like this recipe and this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you want me to do more home remedies, comment below and do let me know. So to stay updated, as I always say, click on that subscribe button and don't forget that bell icon. It is equally important for you to get updates and notifications. So we'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.